Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my cousin Janell here. You guys have seen her before, and we are going to take Curly Sue and make her really blonde and beautiful again. So she has some roots growing in. She's a natural 6.5. Janell was always a natural level 8-9 as her whole childhood, just like me as a blonde as I was younger. And then we get darker as we get older. She's still considered a dark blonde and lifts very easily. I will be using Oxycur today, my ride or die, with 20 volume and a 16th ounce of Olaplex. Today we are literally focusing on retouching her roots only and kicking out anything at the ends because she's very curly. And when it comes to curly hair, you want to lift as much as you can in the first session or two and then take it really easy on the ends because you don't want to just overlap and overlap and overlap, because what will happen is you're breaking down the disulfide bonds in the hair. It will end up taking somebody with curly hair like me and Janell and making it a lot more straighter. She wants to keep her curls, so I'm just going to literally touch the root, work down and feather down through anything darker, and then kick it out of the foil, fold it up, and so on.
There's no more time to hide because I feel it good. I feel it good. Oh, now I feel it good. We're bringing this back to life.
All right, so today we are doing just a partial Babylight. I used to have 6 different options on my blonding menu on my price list. Now in the last couple months, I've changed it to make it a little bit more simple. I used to have a partial, half, and full teasy light option and a partial, half, and full highlight option. To make it simpler, I just made it 3, a full foil, a half foil, and a partial foil. And then you decide if you want a teasy light, a regular highlight, or a baby light. You guys know 95% of the time I'm doing my baby lights. Partials are great for when you just want a little bit of pop, you don't have time, you don't have the funds, or you just want a little something to spruce up before an event or something like that. I think it's very important to have something different for everybody because no 2 blondes are the same. And it's really good to have more than 2 options. I know a lot of people do a partial or a half and a full or a partial and a full. I like having 3 options. So a half is really, really popular. And that's where I do a little bit more than half of the head. But this is the partial option where I just do a face frame and I do a mohawk down the top. You guys have seen other videos. I will do it right off the part, but I never go wider than that mohawk range, if that makes sense. Today on Janell, I am doing it off the part, so you guys can see I'll never go wider than a mohawk. So think of how wide you would make your mohawk, and then take and do it over the actual part. So Janell has a very far side part. If somebody was parting in the middle, it would be perfect. And then just take that and split it in half. So with her, because it's such a strong side part, I do less foils on the one side and more on the other. You guys will see it as this video keeps rolling. This is my favorite way to foil. As you see, I rarely ever do a partial. I do have a video or 2 of those on here, and I will link them in the card.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain? up where we left, off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense.
So partials are quick and very easy to foil, very simple, and they don't take long at all. This is great for if you want to, double book and start out slowly by double booking with a full highlight, and while they're processing, do a partial. It takes me about 30 minutes to foil a partial, and I'd say 2 hours, 2.5 hours from start to finish out the door. And that's how simple they are. So for her, I do love using 7N, 7NA, Goldwell Colorance. I've been dabbling into the Colorance line a little bit more. They do run a little bit warmer, so I do mix half and half. So I did half 7N, half 7NA. Shades EQ, I always do a quarter of 7NA or whatever level I'm doing, because Shades is very, 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 very strong in their ash, their natural ash. And they're naturally a lot cooler anyway. Goldwell runs a little bit warmer, but I always save the face frame till the end after the rest of the hair is already shadowed. And I always tap the hairline. I do not drag it down any more than a tap. This is just to blur any lines and bring everything together. And I always do this the last 2 minutes of processing, comb it through very gently with my Olivia Garden eye blend brush, let it sit for 2 minutes, and then I'll layer back and tone the ends. For Nellie's all over toner formula, I am keeping it simple, only using 3 colors. I'm using 9N, 9P, which is one of my favorite mixed together ever. And then I'm adding a little bit of 9GB to keep that nice gold beige in there. She likes it creamy ash, not too ashy, not too warm, right down in the middle. If you guys love my personality and want to get to know me a little bit better, I don't know if you've heard, but I started another YouTube channel. It's more of my personal channel. I am Brett Ryan. The link is down below in the description box. Me and my cousin Janell are actually very busy lately shooting a series for that channel. It's still my channel, but we are doing a series together and we are funny together. You guys definitely want to check it out. I already have a couple of videos so far. I've been posting like once every couple weeks, but I'm actually been filming a lot of content, and that's why I've been so busy and kind of slacking a little bit here on my hair page. But I am gonna whip video after video after video after video out this week starting, so definitely make sure to hit the bell on and your post notifications so you can see every time I post an upload. And also feel free to go subscribe to I Am Brett Ryan. I'm working so hard on content. I'm gonna be putting up a video in a couple of days. I will start posting on Sundays only on that channel, but I'm gonna throw one up this week just because it's been slacking a little bit, and it's actually something funny. I got my first tattoo and you don't want to miss it. Janell and me are so excited about this series. I can't wait to drop it. So definitely go subscribe to I Am Brett Ryan and check out all my solo videos as well as the double me and her videos that are going to be coming soon. Look how beautiful this hair color is. You can see how a partial underneath is still like rooted because of her roots growing in, but you can see how bright it pops around the face frame. And I'm just obsessed with this color. We're going to blow her out. We're going to flat iron her, and then I'll show you guys the after footage.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future future's far away, but I will stay, I will stay. Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking.
All right, guys, so we're done. Final hair of the day, Janell. Look how good this looks, you guys. All from a partial retouch. We have a lot of special things coming soon, so be sure to go to the link below and follow I Am Brett Ryan YouTube channel, because we have a series coming and we're working hard on it. And we're gonna have a lot of stuff. We're gonna have, you know, vlog series. We're gonna have talking about topics, hot topics. We're gonna have everything, you guys. It's gonna be amazing. So I love you guys so very, very much. Thank you for following along today. We love you and we will see you soon. Go follow I Am Brett Ryan and see us in the next video. Love you guys. As always, so long for now. I almost forgot.